One of the most fun game design pieces you can add to your game has to be the way you interact with your game items. Hi, I'm Lisa Walkosz-Migliacio, and I'm happy to present this course, Creating a Character Inventory System in Unity. This course will continue the programming path of the Swords and Shovels game, creating a character inventory system. Once we show the overview of our system, we'll dive a bit into the UI component, as well as the code that makes it all work. Using a dictionary collection, we'll store items inside of our inventory. Make sure you're familiar with the Swords and Shovel game, as well as some programming in Unity. After we're done, you'll know a bit more about coding systems in Unity, the dictionary collection in particular, and how to connect your UI to your code. After the inventory system is working at the end of the course, you'll be able to continue developing for it and customize it to your own game. Join me for creating a character inventory system in Unity.